And then the thing about record, isn't me? So here one of Jamaica.
Don't fuck with me again.
You remember miss the entrance and you remember miss the entrance and again. Welcome everybody, this is AC gang. Me name Abby aka Good Gal.
And your boy Capos there from Capos TV. Subscribe, like, share, join the family.
Cause we vibe say mad and extra. Achoo!
Whoa!
Welcome to the Mad Crew. And the summer sun say woo.
What's up, AC gang? You don't know, say boy Capos there. I'm back with a revenge prank for Abby. So why did you say something very disgusting to me? When I don't know already. But this time, we have come back with a prank on her. So guys, yesterday we cooked soup. So she just tell me to add up the soup for her. So now I put a condom, an actual condom, in her soup. Me don't care. Me I got tweet catch up, mash me up on it. We can't talk loud. She round this up. So smash the like button and comment Team Capo down below. People, this not gonna happen. Me I praise it. Me share the soup. Me make sure me share the soup for her. So me can put it in. Yo. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. You see it? Here one of people go over to Comedy Channel. Abby and Capo Comedy TV. Subscribe to Abby's Madness and Capo's TV. And follow up our Instagram down below. No further talking, people. We are going to deal with it. Make sure you like the video. Like the video right now. Right now. Also, one time, like the video. Thumbs up. See you, me so. No further talking, guys. Let's get it. Job.
Let's line up music right now. We are not to Shelly. To Shelly got the alien. We are not Shelly got the alien. I make sure the man go road smooth if you could have fast like. So.
Like what?
So.
That's who are only man. Let me share now. Let me share.
People, I'm going to share the freaking food. No, guys, but I'm going to find a way. But put it in our plate. But no more on itself. I'm going to unwrap it now. So it's in a nice sort of state, people.
Oh, no.
What's that dog? That's a roll up stuff.
Alright, so before we get the women's victory ceremony. Sorry, I don't know if I tomorrow I posted the last day. It won't be there.
Look at you, what that there? Who found one person so they can go and play?
Happy man, paper.
Okay. I have a bag, guys, I forget.
You know what I mean? I'm about
A few minutes later.
Hey, that is a color of my soup. Then get a bag still, and I get a leg, and it's a country, I come out. I thought I was with Afro, we make 100 finance with me. Then I thought I was going to piece.
People, right now the football 100 meter final for the woman them. So how you think I do it right now?
That's what we're calling, so we say 4 by 100 meter. What you?
So guys, I go react to that. Me I go actually put on the camera now. And when I go see car, you know, that time and take the car road record. If I get
Oh, no.
so you want to go
Oh, no, 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 no.
Who get him back? You bumbo, yeah? You don't me again. Yeah? Don't fuck with me again. Don't fuck with me again. Wait, let me know there. Are you feeling? Seven. Wait there. What do you mean? A dog, you know? How do you think? I'll be waiting anything. No, wash man, wash clean. Sorry, come back with me, for real. Batty boy! Come back at me, name out. Tell that fucking dog and fucking young himself, you know? Don't joke this to her. If we can't find it, wait till you know if you're gone. Not about me. Yo, I had to get you back. I had to get you back. After what you did to me, then my breakfast.
I didn't do what you was watching.
It no matter. I had to get you back. People, wagwan. Happy Independence Day. But just prank her back, people. I tell you that go epic, you know. I tell you at the right time when Jamaica goes to the woman and come out for run the race, you want to see she. But guys, you know, we can't find the robots. It come like 7 damn the condom. We can't find it, people. Open the dead. I don't know if the dog really saw that thing, you know, guys. People, smash the like button. We're going to watch the race now. This was a revenge prank and I know she didn't want to give my breakfast, so you don't know, so I have to come back for her. Wicked. You see me? You want worse, yes? But I have to come back for you somewhere. Big old person I give that prank, I can't remember her Instagram name. Until then, I'm going to watch the race them people, so you don't know. Kiapo is out!